Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to set and configure a logon.batch file. So this means like once the user access or log on our domain, there is a message or a CMD command, a CMD window pop up for this user with a message from the administrator. Let's see how we configure this file. So first we need to go to File Explorer, and then we need to write our domain here. Okay, and then we notice that we have the net logon folder here, right? So you double click on that and you have it empty so far. So what we are going to do is to create a text file. Okay, and let's call it logon. Let's call it just logon. So we open the file and we do some batch syntax. So let's do add echo of and then echo. Let's call it. Let's add just hello world, for example. Okay, and then we need to add pause here to stop it. Okay, save this file and close it, and then let's go to view here, and then we go to file name extensions to give us the ability to see the extension of the file and to make it easier to transit between the text file and the batch file. So remove the txt and add BAT, stands for batch, and then click on yes. So our logon file now is ready. So let's close our File Explorer and we go to Server Manager again. Let's go to Tools and then Users and Computers, and let's pick one user, for example the Joe Smith, and we go to Profile, and then you can notice inside Profile you have the user profile and you have a logon script here. So we need to add in this box our logon file name. So logon.bat. Okay, and then hit apply and then okay. So now the logon is configured for the user, the Joe Smith user. So let's see if it's working. Let's bring our client. So once Joe Smith or any user like logon, or the specific user, I mean that we add the logon.batch to its logon path, so they will receive this message here as a CMD window. So you can see what we have wrote, hello world, right? So and then you press any key and it disappears. Okay, if you want to broadcast any information for specific users, so you can use this technique here. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video.